Hello guys. So in this video of Moodle, we'll try creating this. Whatever you see here on the screen, we'll try creating the exact the question in a Moodle page. Okay, so let's get started with that. So I will come up here. Then I will be using the AI tool to convert this particular image into text first. Okay, so I will copy this one and the ChatGPT. Text. And you will find here it is giving me the exact the same thing. You can also minimize this and you can validate whether you are in, this chat GPT is giving the exact one or any issue is coming. Okay, so the first question was when you meet someone, you say at what time when someone is going. So this, yeah, so when you go past. So here under queues, I will create a huge. So within course, so this is the course, and within that, I will create a huge. This one I am going to import all these pictures. So I will do that. So this process.